you care to comment on the PET? I know it's been deferred, but what do we know? Probably
Ano yung
Palasite.
PET?
Presidential Electoral Tribunal, Marcos versus Robredo, sir.
We will leave it to them. We are not. We will leave it to the tribunal to decide on its own whatever pending cases it has.
And accept whatever it decides on?
Whatever, well, you know, the president is always on the side of the law. Whatever the law says, he should enforce it.
Sir, alam niyo po ba yung sa Rule 65 sa PET? Because I think that's the bone of contention in the issue. Na parang initially, ang kailangan ni-resolve ng Supreme Court is the rules. So they have to follow 65, meaning identify first 3 pilot provinces, and then if you have...
3.
Sir. And then if you have recoveries, meaning may mga nakita na pagbabago sa mga boto, and then you can proceed to the next step, which is a wider recount and revision. Ngayon kasi, sir, parang medyo may inclination na the PET will do away with Rule 65 and instead just grant maybe a wider recount and revision. Do you agree that the PET should do away with Rule 65, or should they follow it?
Again, we will not intrude into the competence and the authority of the Vice Presidential Electoral Tribunal.
PET, sir, presidential.
Presidential Electoral Tribunal. It has to decide on its own on the basis of what is required by law and the evidence.